Hi everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today I will bring you one of our hot-selling valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly is the blue VCI anti-rust bag. And here this is our label. The first line is our Shumatt's brand, and the product code is F00VC01352. For this kind of the logo or the label, the packages, etc., we can support a customized service. And now let's check the inside. Transparent bottle can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. 1 layer of the oil paper wrap it up. Each product we supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange. Take a look. For this valve assembly, it's applicable for 0445110278110 series, China made brand new. The valve cap deal with coating figures here, and that's the valve rod. If you want to clean this whole valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. And make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the injector body. So much for the valve assembly introduction. More details, please leave us by the comments or feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.